This video will guide you through the process of replacing the Evaporative Emissions EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid on the 2008 Chevrolet Impala V6 3.5 liters. The EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid is located under the vehicle, behind the left rear wheelhouse. Begin by removing the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid. 1. Use a lift to raise and support the vehicle, then clean the evaporative emission connections and surrounding areas. 2. Push the tab to disconnect the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve electrical connector. 3. Disconnect the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve from the EVAP Emission Canister hose. 4. Remove the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve bracket bolt. 5. Remove the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve. Finish by installing a new EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid. 1. Install the new EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve. 2. Install the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve bracket bolt. Tighten the bolt to 89 inch-pounds to ensure functionality. 3. Connect the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve to the EVAP Emission Canister hose. 4. Connect the EVAP Canister Vent Solenoid valve electrical connector. 5. Lower the vehicle to finish installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing the Evaporative Emission Vent Solenoid on the 2008 Chevrolet Impala V6 3.5 liters. Thank you for watching.